Today, I am reviewing the StarTech 42U 4-post server rack. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Setting up a serious home lab or a professional server room often starts with a single critical decision, and that is choosing the foundation for your hardware. After spending years working with various enclosures and makeshift shelving, I finally pulled the trigger on the StarTech 42U 4-post open frame server rack, and it has completely transformed my workflow. This isn't just a pile of steel beams, it is a precision-engineered piece of infrastructure that solves almost every headache associated with mounting heavy, high-end IT equipment. When you are dealing with thousands of dollars of server switches and power distribution units, you need something that feels institutional, and this rack delivers that in spades. The first thing that really impressed me was the shipping and initial setup. StarTech ships this as a flat pack, which is a massive advantage because it can actually fit through a standard doorway and into a basement or a tight utility closet before it is assembled. If you have ever tried to move a fully welded 42U cabinet through a residential hallway, you know exactly how much of a nightmare that can be. The instructions are incredibly clear, and they even provide an online video that walks you through the process. I had the entire structure standing and leveled in under an hour. The build quality is exceptional using cold-rolled steel that feels incredibly rigid. There is zero swaying or racking even before you start bolting in your gear, which is a testament to the tolerances they use during manufacturing. One of the standout features that makes this rack superior to almost anything else in its price bracket is the adjustable mounting depth. Being able to shift the vertical rails anywhere from 22 inches to 40 inches is a lifesaver. I have a mix of short-depth network switches and massive deep chassis enterprise servers, and this rack accommodates both perfectly. The easy-to-read unit markings and depth adjustment indicators mean you aren't guessing or counting holes manually, which saves a tremendous amount of time during the initial layout. It also comes with all the cage nuts and screws you need to get started, so you aren't running to the hardware store in the middle of a build. Ventilation is another huge win with an open frame design like this. In a closed cabinet, you are constantly fighting heat pockets and spending a fortune on high static pressure fans to keep the air moving. With this StarTech rack, your equipment can breathe naturally. This is especially important if you are running the rack in a room that isn't a dedicated climate-controlled data center. The open access also makes cable management significantly easier. You can reach any port from any angle, and the included cable management hooks help keep the spaghetti under control so you maintain a clean and professional look. I also really appreciate the 3 different mounting options included in the box. You get heavy-duty casters if you need a mobile network rack that can be rolled out for maintenance, leveling feet for a semi-permanent setup, and base plates if you want to bolt it directly to the floor for maximum stability. Even when fully loaded with a weight capacity of over 1,300 pounds, the rack feels balanced and secure. The height is also perfect at just over 80 inches with the wheels on, which allows it to fit under most standard door frames if you ever need to move your entire lab to a different room. As someone who relies on their equipment for critical tasks, knowing that this rack is backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support from a company like StarTech provides a lot of peace of mind. They have been the go-to choice for IT professionals for decades, and this 42U rack shows why. It is durable, versatile, and designed with the actual needs of a system administrator in mind. If you are tired of cramped quarters and overheating gear, this rack is the definitive solution for taking your infrastructure to the next level. It provides the professional foundation your servers deserve while remaining flexible enough to grow with your needs for years to come.